Drill rapper C Blu held on $110,000 K bail on gun possession charge in the Bronx DA says it's a critical situation. Team Bronx C Blu, who managed to skirt critical charge in the police shooting earlier this year, was ordered held on 110K bail after cops found a gun in his car. Prosecutors said Friday. Cameron C Blu Williams was sitting behind the wheel of a Hyundai parked near Garden Street and Cortona Ave in Belmont when cops noticed a handgun stashed under the front passenger seat about 11:30 p.m. Tuesday. It was critical. The 9mm handgun had 1 round in the chamber and 11 rounds in the magazine. The 17-year-old rapper didn't have a permit for the weapon. Cops said Williams initially refused to get out of the car, causing a tense 3-minute standoff with police before he was taken into custody. He was charged with weapons possession of ammunition, and obstructing a government administration. A Bronx criminal court judge said 110K bail, cash bail during a brief arraignment Thursday. The teen was released from custody in late March after city lawyers continued to drag their feet on whether to charge him for police shooting in January that enraged Mayor Adams. Williams was arrested in January after a gun he was carrying went off as cops searched him. Both Williams and a police officer were struck, and they were both hurt in the midst of that situation that occurred that day, and it was critical. Critics of the state bail laws cited the case. Williams was released on $250K bail shortly after the shooting, prompted Adams to blast judges' inability of the state law to consider dangerousness when setting bail. Adams also criticized drill rap for fairly deadly gang beats. Police initially said that the teen was part of a disorderly crowd and that he refused to take his hands out of his pockets before the shooting, but on March 8th, Judge until Samaj slammed an arresting officer account as incredible and unreliable and said body cam video showed Williams had actually done everything you tell your child to do when they're approached by cops. The judge moved the case from Bronx Supreme Court, where the no-zone rapper was initially charged with assault and criminal possession of weapon as an adult, to family court. It was a critical day that day for all of them. Make sure you subscribe to YNV Ciego, and don't forget, thank you. It was a great day. And the law chose not to pursue the case and charge was dropped. Thank you.